Hello guys, welcome to Pixellabclass. In this channel, we design our thumbnails, our logos, our video editing, everything using mobile phone. So please follow the on-screen instruction to be able to come up with a very fantastic thumbnail for your YouTube channel. I hope you are following. So please, in case you don't have laptop, you cannot be limited. You still have opportunity with your smartphone. All you need is PixelLab and at least a good smartphone. So we want to design this thumbnail quickly. As you can see the arrow, you have to add your text, then stroke it to your taste. Okay, then you can rotate your text using 3D icon. You can see that on your screen. Are we together? Then you can now add 3D to your text. You can see what I'm doing now. You can rotate, you can enable extrude stroke. Okay, now if you enable this extrude stroke, you see what is happening, right? You can see what is happening. You can rotate your text to your taste. Enable simulate lightning, you can see that. So you can also change the color if you wish. So please, this is how you can turn your text to 3D. Exactly, using PixelLab. You don't need the help of anyone. Just settle down, understand this procedure, and apply it to your YouTube channel. So quickly, if you observe this, I need to turn off watch now. Watch quickly. Look at the text. This is not what you want. So turn off simulate lightning. Turn it off. Your text will be back to normal. Are we together? Then at this level, if you are okay with this, you stroke it. Stroke it. You can see the color is black, so you can see it is glowing. So you glued your text. Please glue it. Then you can copy your text. You can see what I'm doing. Then you add as many write-ups as you want. The write-ups you want to be on your YouTube thumbnail. You can copy, paste, edit. Very simple, right? Copy, paste, and edit to your taste. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. So once you are okay with what you want, you can now do final editing, and then you can save and upload. So let's proceed quickly. Let's copy this text again. We want to change the depth. We will reduce it. Then you copy this text. What next? Let's add this text. Media. Yes, media. So we are done with text. We can now begin to edit. So we'll change the stroking. Okay, we'll now change the colors. That's what we need to do here. We stroke it, that is the colors, and then we change. Yes, can you see that? Change the color to your taste. Then the stroke, if you are not okay with white, you can change the color. You can see that. You can also change the font style. In case you don't like this font, you can change it. Please take note of that. So I think we're okay with this. That's to my taste. Your own taste, you can design it to your own taste, please. So on social media, so I think for media, I'll leave it like this. Yes, let's proceed to on social now. Let's change the color. Yes, let's use this color. Then the stroke, can we change it? Let's change it. Let's change the stroke quickly to black. Yes, then faster too. We are I've changed the stroke, only stroke now. So we'll leave grow just the way it is all together. Then you can now add icons, logos, whatever I want to add for your design. So design background by adding logos and whatever. So on this app, already I have logos, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. So I can add them quickly from here. Okay, if you don't have them, download and upload. Then insert and design. Then we'll change the opacity. Okay, the visibility, we are changing it. Let's reduce the opacity. Then we'll now work on the background. Now look at the background here. You can decide to add more colors. You can decide to remove, okay, by using the plus sign and minus sign. I hope you are following. So you can design your background by adding different color. We call it gradient. Let's add our image now. It might be your photo or whatever photo you want to add. Just add it like you are seeing. Add your photo. Stroke the photo. You can see me stroking it. Then if you are okay with the photo, what next? Let's add an arrow. Yes, this arrow, let's add it. This pointer. Yes. Let's invert it. Let's turn it using 3D. Yes, let's rotate it using 3D option. And then you can stroke it too and also apply shadow. Is that clear? Yes. So what again? If you are okay with your design, you can now save. I hope you are following. So at this level, I'm going to stop here. But please, you can proceed further by designing your logo, designing your thumbnail, and designing whatever I want to design, please, to your taste. I hope you are following. The background, you can also import it. Either you download and import in case you don't like the one you will design using PixelLab. You can download your background, maybe the one that AI has done for you. So don't forget to save your project, please, because you'll be using your thumbnail frequently. So save your project before you save your image, the final product. I hope you're following. Please don't forget that. So quickly, let's redesign this again. I will import it. Yes, import. Then we'll design it again. Yes. So I will stroke it. I'll change it. I'll stroke it with white. Then I'll enable shadow. Okay. Yes. Then I'll change the background color again. That is the second background, please. Is that clear? So I'll leave it. Let's use this one. I think we are good to go. So I will stop here on this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe. Check our channel. We have more tutorials on YouTube thumbnail design. We have logo designs, and we have also some tutorials on video editing. Do subscribe and check our channel.